Welcome back to the class. Today we will learn how to pronounce if a consonant has vowel narrow on top of it followed by suffix da. How to pronounce it in that case. So if you are English speaking student, you will have some difficulty pronouncing it. But if you are someone living in France or Germany, then it should be easy for you because this pronunciation they have in German as well as in French. So, and I'm planning to start a class on how to read Tibetan in Tibetan language. And if you want to learn Tibetan, you have to listen to the language many times in order to be able to speak the language. You have to listen to it many times. What they call in West is crash course. So I plan to do something like this. And what do you think about it? How many of you are willing to learn to read Tibetan explained in Tibetan language? You have to immerse yourself in the language. Otherwise, it will take you long to learn a language. So, how many of you are coming to the class if I teach how to read Tibetan? If I explain it in English, how many of you are willing to come to the class? Okay, so now here we have a consonant. A consonant is from alphabet. If you take out the vowels, the remaining letters are called consonant. Consonant with vowel narrow on top of it, followed by da. In that case, it should have the sound e. For example, a, ra, gata, ga, narrow, followed by suffix da. We are learning how to pronounce a word or a syllable if it has vowel narrow followed by suffix da. Ra gata ga, ga narrow go da, g. Ra gata ga narrow go da, g. Ra gata ga narrow go da, g. Ra gata ga narrow go da, g. Is technically Ragata ga narrow go da, g is wild. If you know few Tibetan words. You must have heard the word chage. Chage. Ge is wild. Chage is wild bird, meaning vulture. Cha ge. Ge is wild. You might have heard this word mige. Mige. In English they call it yati. And in Tibetan we say mige. And if we break mi and ge, if we separate it, it says wild man. Mi is man, ge is wild. So this yati. Ragata ganaro go da ge. Ga ka ga. Similarly, cha, naru, cho, da, it should have a sound. Cha, naru, cho, da, che. Cha, naru, cho, da, che. If you are speaking English at home, you should practice it for some time to be able to pronounce it correctly. Cha, naru, cho, da, che. 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 E. Cha, naru, cho, da, che. Ra, gata, ga, naru, go, da, ge. Cha, naru, cho, da, che. Cha, naru, cho, da, che. Ge, che, che. Cha, cha, cha. Sa, ta, ta, ta. Sa, ta, ta, ta. Ta, naru, to, da, te. Ge, che, che, te. Te. Da, naru, do, da, de. Da, naru, do, da, de. Da, naru, do, da, de. Ge, che, che, te, de. Ba, naru, bo, da, pe. Tibet. Ba, naru, bo, da, pe. Ba, naru, bo, da, pe. Pepa. Tibetan. Pe. Tibet. Ba, naru, bo, da, be. Ba, naru, bo, da, be. Ba, 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 ma. 차 나로 초다 츠. 차 나로 초다 츠. 차, 츠, 차. You don't have this in English. 차, 차 나로 초다 츠. 츠. 차십주 추. 차십주 추. 차 나로 초다 츠. 츠. 추츠. 추츠. 추츠 is watch, clock, hour, o'clock. 추츠. Technically, if I break this two syllable into two, ch is coming from measurement, chu from water. So, 추츠, like you have sent in something which tells you the time. Similarly, we might be using water to know the time. Maybe they had water in container, and maybe there was hole at the bottom, and maybe the water used to drip, and then when they watch at the container, they know the time. Maybe that is the idea. Anyway, ch is measurement, chu is water. Measuring the time with help of water. 추, 차. Da substitute do sa du. Da substitute do sa du. U. Why U? Because of vowel substitute and suffix sa. U. Da substitute do sa du. Cha naru cho da cho. Same as before. Du che. Time. Do you have time tomorrow? I will have time tomorrow. Time. It is waste of time. Time. Du che. Sa naru so da su. Sa naru so da su. Sa naru so da su. Su. Not su. Su. Ha naru o da u. Ha naru o da u. Ha naru o da u. Gu, chu, chu. Du, du, gu. Ch, 추츠, dü츠, sü, vö. Vö is light. Light. Vö. 샤사. 야 나로 요다 유. 야 나로 요다 유. 야 나로 요다 유. In Tibetan, yu is I have. I have time. I have some experience. I have interest. 유. 샤사 아야. 사 나로 소다 스. 사 나로 소다 스. 아 나로 오다 으. 야 나로 요다 유. 사 나로 소다 스. 스. 사 아 으. Galatak la. Galatak la. Galatala la naroloda lü. Galatala la naroloda lü. Lü. Galatala la naroloda lü. Lü is to set free. To set free. To release. Lü. To set free, to release, to let go. Galatala la naroloda lü. Galatala la naroloda lü. Rata. Papa. Za. Za za wa. Sha sa. A ya. La. Two. Gayatak. Gayatak gya. Gya naro gyo da gyu. Gayatak gya. Gya naro gyo da gyu. Gayatak gya. Gya naro gyo da gyu. 파라다타, 파라다타, 타나로 토다, 트, 으, 파라다타, 타나로 토다, 트. Saratak, we know this is one of the exception. With or without ratak, sa is pronounced as sa. No change in pronunciation if you add ratak to sa. Sarata sa, sa naro so da su. Sarata sa, sa naro so da su. Karata ta, tanaro to da, tu, tu. So, tu. Ragata ga, no change in the pronunciation. Ragata ga, gayata gya, gyasa to gu, gu da. Oh, we are doing with narrow. Okay, never mind. Ragata ga, gayata gya, gyasa to gu da, gu. Ragata ga, gayata gya, gyasa to gu da, gu. So basically, we are learning how to pronounce a word or a syllable if the consonant has vowel narrow on top of it, followed by suffix da. So you can repeat after me. And if you are English speaking student, you will have to listen to this class several times in order to be able to pronounce them correctly. Ragata ga, ganaro go da gu. Chanaro cho da ch. Chanaro cho da ch. The difference is ch, 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 ch. Satatata, tanaro to da tu. Satatata, tanaro to da tu. Danaro do da de. The difference is de, 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 de. Banaro bo da pu. Banaro bo da pu. And many students say, like when I read this, ba naro bo da, and they think that I was saying p, f. So maybe it should be pronounced between ba and pa. Ba naro bo da, p, p. Ca naro co da, c, e, c. Cha shep ju chu, ca naro co da, c, chu, c. Watch, clock, hour, o'clock. Chu, c. Da shep ju du sa du, ca naro co da, c, du, c. Du, c. Du, c. Sa naro so da, s. Not sa. Sa. Sa naro so da, s. Not ha. Ha. Ha naro wo da, e. Ha naro wo da, e. Ya naro yo da, ye. Ya naro yo da, ye. Sa naro so da, s. Galata la, la naro lo da, le. Gayata gya, gya naro gyo da, ge. Parata ta, ta naro to da, tre. Sarata sa, sa naro so da, se. Karata ta, ta naro to da, te. Ragata ga, gayata gya, gyasatu gu da, gu. So, to be able to read, to be able to speak your own language is our identity. And I think I'm working to preserve our identity. If you have some children, you have to encourage your children to learn Tibetan. It's good to learn many more languages, but it's important to be able to speak your own language. This is our identity. So, in near future, I'm planning to teach how to read Tibetan in Tibetan language. And that way, it will be like a crash course. You have to immerse yourself in the language. This is how you learn language. So I can explain things logically. Everything should have explanation. But at the same time, it is good to learn by listening to others. Thank you very much for coming. I hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Thank you very much.